your house looking more like haunted house than dream home? With moss, mould and grime creeping in. Maybe it looks like it's got a big rust stain down the outside wall. What's that all about? There's nothing metal to rust, right? Maybe you're thinking about blasting it away with a pressure washer. But stop! There's a better way to clean your exterior surfaces, your render, or anything along those lines, and it's called soft washing. Today I'm going to show you what it is, how it works, and why it's the best way to keep the exterior of your home looking like the day it was built. But first of all, why should you listen to me? I'm Lee and I run Vapor Clean Cleaning Services, a 7-figure business that I started back in 2012. Back then, I was a specialist technician out on the road delivering the cleaning services. Today, we still offer a vast range of specialist cleaning services as well as commercial contract cleaning. For me now though, my job is to make sure that we are ahead of the competition and we know the best methods and equipment to deliver our services. This channel on YouTube is our way of giving back to you and to help us obviously promote the business. Therefore, you can find hints and tips, product and equipment reviews, as well as a little behind the scenes of Vapor Clean to see exactly what it's really like to run a cleaning business. For now though, let's jump back and find out exactly what we're talking about in this video. So what is soft washing? Well, it's more of an American term that's kind of found its way across the pond to us, but it essentially is a low pressure cleaning method that uses a specialized cleaning solution to break down and remove organic growth, dirt and stains. Unlike pressure washing, which relies on, well, pressure, soft washing allows a specialist solution to do the heavy lifting for it. Think of it like washing your hair. You don't scrub your scalp with a wire brush. You use shampoo to break down the dirt before you wash it away. It's the same, just for your house. Now don't get me wrong, pressure washing has its place, especially for patios, driveways and potentially even on your roof if it's got a really high buildup. But some materials are just not suitable for pressure washing, no matter how much you reduce the pressure. For example, when you're cleaning a roof, you may pre-treat, then use pressure washing equipment, and then apply a post-treatment afterwards. But the pressure is reduced. If you want to know more about that, click the link above where you can head over to our video which explains whether or not roof cleaning will actually damage your roof. So if you've got a delicate surface, then soft washing is definitely the way to go. For example, on render and cladding, there's no more cracks, no damage, just clean walls. As I've just said, when you're roof cleaning, you can apply to break it down so you can reduce the pressure or clean by hand if that's how you want to do it. Wooden fences and decking, it literally cleans without any pressure, so there's no chance of splitting or cracking the wood. And brickwork or stonework, it cleans without damaging the mortar or soft stones. So what's the downside of soft washing? Well, number one, it's not as easy as it sounds. It's not just the case of finding a solution and spraying it or brushing it onto a surface. It is very calculated. You have to make sure you've got the right balances of solution for the surface you're working with, and there are lots of different types of chemical on the market. Number one, if you choose the wrong solution, then it will be too harsh for your surface, and it can also be very harmful for the environment. So you need to make sure you choose the right one. A good soft washing solution will actually be a biocide. So it means that it will break down, it will biodegrade without causing any damage to the local wildlife or entering the water courses and causing damage that way. It's just watered down pressure washing. Not at all. It's actually a chemical-based process that actively breaks down contaminants. It kills any buildup and what is on the surface. The actual process of washing it away is stopping it from working any further and removing it from the surface to remove any residue. It doesn't last as long as pressure washing. Actually, this is the opposite from the truth. A good soft washing solution will last much longer than any pressure washing because it's actually killing what is on the surface. Therefore, much of them will last in excess of 2 years. For us, we actually guarantee our service for 2 years after the clean. It's harmful to plants and pets. This is only true when it's done wrong. If soft washing is done properly, then it is absolutely safe. You have to use the right solutions at the right mixture in the right way for it to be safe. But if you do that, there is nothing to worry about. So should you hire a professional for soft washing? After all, it looks so easy. Well, yes, because trust me, one wrong move and you can cause lots of damage, whether that's chemical stains, dead plants, or worse. So here's why using a professional is absolutely worthwhile. We use the right solutions at the right mix, so there's no guesswork. We protect your home and landscaping. We'll pre-rinse the plants to make sure there's no chemical burning, but it'll also be the right solution. So that's such a small likely risk anyway. We ensure long-lasting results. No streaks, no damage, just a clean looking home. Guaranteed for 2 years if you use Vapor Clean. So now you know why soft washing is one of the safest and most effective ways to clean the exterior of your home. And if you're in the southwest and looking for an external cleaning surface, then why not click the link that's in the bio, head over to our website, you can check out our services and get in touch with the team for a free quote visit. But if you're here just to find out more information, to find out how to clean cheaper, quicker and easier, then click the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and I hope to see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.